Welcome. Today we're going to talk about tidying up the sidebar to make them super effective for your team. We'll speak to how to get to Sidebar Manager and how to add a new link, what Sam and Marie Kondo have in common, and some interesting options and best practices we've seen for how clients use the sidebar. Accessing the sidebar is done through Form Customizer. To get there, you'll open the form you want to modify, click Advanced Options, and scroll down to the bottom to access it. Under Advanced Options, select Sidebar Manager. This manager has a sidebar to add links and separators and is divided into sections that you can add links to. To add a new link, do so from the sidebar. Then name the link something memorable. You can choose an icon or not to draw attention to the link. There are many options in different colors for circles and folders for color coding. You can then select which form you want to connect the user to. Sam prompts you with formatting options to set the link size, whether it's enabled or not, which section the link will be added to, and whether or not a quick add link will be shown next to the link. New links are shown at the bottom of the section selected and can be reordered for a better position. Refresh the form you're working on to see the change. Now let's talk about what Marie Kondo, author of The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and Sam have in common. Marie's goal is to help people understand how tidying up can bring energy back to their possessions and their life. We believe her techniques can be applied and have 3 major takeaways to share today. First, discard, disable, or remove links that your team is not using. Reorganize the links by category or part of your service. On Details forms, offer users links to related forms or information so that it's at their fingertips. And finally, make it look good. Use icons or not to entice users to click. Provide consistency with link size and use separators to create some space. Finally, we'll talk about options other than to SAM forms to link to. Linking to other websites is extremely helpful to consolidate your resources. Some ideas are to provide links to USCIS, background check sites, your website links, Adopt Us Kids, or provide links to documents that your team needs to complete or share with others. You can also link to specific templates for print. Great uses would be linking to home study templates or progress reports needed for print. The fields captured on the template will need to be entered into SAM, or you might choose to download a draft and finish the project in Word. Linking to reports will allow users to use the power of reports for sort and filter for the subject and also have access to other records for comparison and analysis. And adding links to Details forms to connect to supplemental or supporting information can be really useful, saving clicks going back to the cover page to get that data. Thank you for joining to learn more about creating savvy sidebars for your forms in SAM. If you have any questions, reach out to support@inreachsolutions.com.